Good evening and thank you for logging onto your Ag and Land Carpet One forecast. Meteorologist Max Crawford here with you. On this weekend, we are looking at just a couple more scattered showers across the area. Let's take a look at a couple of those on the PinPoint radar, just to the south and west of Sealy here, and then even well to the north, even out of Leon County. Now had one shower that moved just over Lake Limestone. A little bit of lightning with that, and some heavy downpours is what we've seen here today, but that's about it. Across the rest of the area, we're just seeing some breezy conditions. I don't know if you saw that camera shaking around just a little bit. Southeast winds right now at about 15 miles per hour for most of us across the area. And we are still looking at warm conditions out there as well. Some of us have touched the 90s here today from Caldwell to Cameron. 91 your temperature right now here just before 6 o'clock in Cameron. And we're looking at heat indices towards the triple digits in those areas as well. Low 90s is what it feels like right now in the Bryan College Station area. That, of course, we'll get to feel a little bit more comfortable as we go into the evening and into the overnight hours. Quick look at the satellite and radar across the state of Texas. More severe weather across West Texas. And for us, we're just looking at the very, very juicy tropical air mass across our area. We're going to tap more and more into that tropical moisture. In fact, could even see a little bit of more organized development here. This highlight over some stuff in the Yucatan Peninsula that we've been talking about really for most of the week. National Hurricane Center has actually given it a 50-50 shot of developing into something over the next 5 days. Whether or not it actually gets more organized, we're definitely going to see the moisture from that. You're really starting today and then going through at least the middle part of next week, maybe even all the way through Thursday as well. So your pinpoint forecast here for tonight, an isolated shower or two possibility as we go into the overnight hours. A better chance, though, it looks like, as we go into our Sunday morning. So this will look at about 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. Nothing too heavy, maybe a thunderstorm, more than likely just some heavy rain with a couple rumbles of thunder here going into the morning hours, and then another better chance as we go into Sunday afternoon. We'll call it a 50-60% shot at that. Probably won't see that great of a coverage, but again, good chance that you could run into a shower here on your Sunday afternoon plans, and then more chances for rain. It looks like going all the way into next week and then through most of next week as well. Accumulations don't look too crazy for most of us, especially the farther north and west you go, but we could see areas 1 to 2 inches over the next 24 hours, especially as we go into Sunday night and then into our Monday as well. Still looks like the highest accumulation is going to be to our south and east. Localized amounts of up to 2 inches, definitely a possibility, though, as we go into the start of next week. For tonight, though, a chance of rain, especially as we go into the late overnight and into the early morning hours here for our Sunday. Lows really going to be in the mid to upper 70s for just about all of us. That 7-day forecast is showing for you. Shows that 60% chance here all the way from Sunday going into at least Wednesday as well. Those rain chances will taper off a little bit here, so whether or not we actually see that tropical system make its way through in the form of some more organized stuff, we're definitely looking at a soggy setup here, especially for next week.